Hi folks, welcome to exercise 1 of the test of week 2. Again, due to the random mechanism, it could appear that ABC is in a different order than you experienced it. Okay, so let's start with what I have as A here. So let's put this a little bit here in the corner. Okay. Okay. Oop. So this is equal to 3 divided by 10, and here we have to divide by a ratio, and if we divide by a ratio we have to multiply by the reciprocal, so this would then be 5 divided by 4 minus, and now I come to the next fraction, the square root of 9 is 3, and in the denominator the square root of 1 is 1 plus 3 plus 8 times 2/3 times 5/7. Let's see whether we can simplify something here. So 8 times 2 times 5 divided by 3 times 7. No, we cannot cancel something down. So the next step is then, so here we can simplify some things because 10 is equal to 2 times 5 and then times 5 divided by 4, and here we can cancel down the 5 minus, well, this is obviously 3 divided by 4 plus, and here we cannot cancel something down, so we just have to calculate this, so this is 80 divided by 21. Okay, so then the next step, so I have here 3 divided by 8 minus, now I multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. We'll see in a second why, because now these two have the same denominator, so I can just add them up in a second or subtract the one from the other. So 3 minus 6 divided by 8 plus 80 divided by 21. Now I get here, oops. So this is equal to minus 3 divided by 8 plus 80 divided by 21. And now we have to think about a common denominator to add up these two. So this is minus 3 times 2 times 4 plus 80 divided by 3 times 7. So what we could do is we could make a common denominator of 2 times 4 times 3 times 7, which means we have to extend this fraction here. So if we multiply the denominator and the denominator by the same numbers, then it's still the same ratio, so I'm allowed to do this. So if I multiply the denominator here by 3 times 7, I have to do the same with the numerator here. So I write down minus 3 times 7 plus 80 times 2 times 4. And this is then equal to minus 9 times 7 is 63 plus, this is 80 times 8 is 640 divided by 2 times 4 times 3 times 7 is 168, and we are almost there. So this is equal to 577 divided by 168. Now we can still think about whether we can simplify this a little bit further, but if you play around with some prime numbers and decomposition, you will see that it's not possible. So they don't have a common factor in the prime factor representation. So, but what we could do, I could leave it like this, but it's just a matter of taste. So we can also write this as 3 times 168 plus 73 divided by 168. And then this would be 3 times 168 divided by 168 plus 73 by 168. And this is then obviously 3 plus 73 divided by 168, and then this is 373 divided by 168.